Oh, good morning. Alright guys, welcome back. It's Monday morning and we need to start some seeds. The tent is empty. I have other grow spaces that are empty. I got no plants growing right now. The reason for that is, if you've been following along, we've had this whole tent here was full of plants.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah.
And we harvested, we enjoyed, we made some candied jalapenos from the big jalapeno plant that was in there. And every now and then, it's just time for a reset. I have some seeds I need to get started, and I want you guys to be here to help me. Let's start by checking out the grow spaces. We're coming in hot on the 4x8 tent here. Let's open things up. It is empty, and it is dirty, and it needs some help. We can see our drip irrigation from last time, some leaves. We gotta start fresh. Let's see what else we got. We have this space here, which is also empty. And we have no light either. Yeah. We're gonna have to do something about that too. We also have this space right here. But that's not for you guys to see. We have a small area set up for seeds, which is empty, and our microgreens from last time are just sitting there waiting to be cleaned as well. I have this trifold I made basically to keep the light in. 2 lights, very simple. That's where our seeds are gonna go. Basil. Ooh, lemon drop basil. This is a good one. Cilantro. Should we do another jalapeno? I think so. Kale. Parsley. That's what we're going to start with for now. But we also have something else we need to start. Ooh. Start some kitty treats. Super bush tomato. Tasmanian chocolate, little bites, totem hybrid approved, sun sugar hybrid, early bird red, Candyland red. All right, we've got our seeds. We've got trays, lids, inserts. I'm gonna just use these guys. That's what I got. That's what I'm gonna use. Not a big deal. Very easy. So I'm all ready to go, but there's just one problem. I gotta go to work.
Eight hours later.
Okay, back from work. Long day. It sucked. I'm tired. We've got some seeds to start. So to be clear, it's not that work sucks. What sucks is working for somebody else. Spending all your time generating wealth for somebody who just doesn't care about you is no good. I always like to start my seeds with a full dose of fertilizer. Some of you are going to say, no, these little seeds, they can't handle the fertilizer. But when you really think about it, in nature, a seed drops into the dirt. Does the dirt have lower or higher fertilizer rates at that point? No. It just is what it is. And the truth is, seeds actually start quicker when they have a small dose of fertilizer with them. If you have no fertilizer in your medium at all, the seeds and seedlings will struggle from the start. So don't be afraid, dive right in. You're probably wondering what's with all the tomatoes. We have a pretty big project we're working on. Stay tuned to find out. Alright, we have our labels. We have our seeds. Seeds, they're pretty cheap. Just plant plenty of extra. That's what we're doing here. Tomato seeds are really small, so you don't have to plant them deep at all. Just a light little covering. And the truth is, you saw from our last video, even large seeds don't even really need to be covered that much. I really like starting with plugs like this because this can go into anything from this point. It can go into a hydroponic system, it can go into soil. You've got all the options. Plugs, really great. Alright, we are all set there. Seeds are planted, ready to go. We just gotta give it some time, watch it every day, make sure they stay moist. If they get dry, they will die. That kind of rhymes.